This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren VanCorbach. Last city lot for sale. Perched at the top of the North Prairie development overlooking a peaceful farm view with rolling hills of green grass and a graceful Sumas mountain view beyond, here is a perfect opportunity to build your dream home. Can't find it? Why not build it? Seller will include recently designed house plans from Mark Ouellette Design valued at $16,000 for a walkout basement home. Don't miss the tremendous opportunity to buy some real estate in a prime location amidst other beautiful custom homes on a spacious 1/4+ lot in town. For more information, review the details below.